it's time to get drunk! No! Okay, this is cute. Literally, it's just like that. I'm doing so bad. You guys did this to me. Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. So today, my dogs are barking. Today we are doing something unlike any other video on my channel, and I'm going to be doing a drunk makeup tutorial. So as you guys may know, I just turned 21 and I've always wanted to do one of these kind of videos, so I'm gonna go all out. I have makeup on that I had from earlier today, so what I'm gonna do is take this makeup off, take a few shots, and come back to you when I'm feeling a little tipsy, and then we'll start the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So before this video gets a little bit too crazy, I want to thank Case5 for sponsoring this video. I love their cases so much. So the one I have on my phone right now, this one is mirrored and it says Steele on it, which I think is so cool. You can literally put whatever you want on it. I have a little audience here, Bella and my sister. Hi. Bella has hers that says Isabella on the side. Case5 makes so many cute cases and you can customize them like I said. They are heavy duty too, so look at these other ones. I love the style of these as well. I can't wait to wear them, but right now I'm rocking the Steele. Make sure everybody knows. They kind of matched my brand logo a bit, so love that. So you can click the link below, case5.com/Steele, to get 20% off of your case, or you can use the code 20Steele, keeping it easy for you. There's something for everyone because it's customizable and they are just the coolest things ever, so like I said, click the link in my bio, get 20% off of your case. It is next level. Check them out. Now it's time to get drunk! If you guys haven't watched my YouTube channel in a long time, like years long, you are probably dying because who remembers the scandals? Who remembers the scandals? I had a top comment on one of my TikToks and said, "Girl, I think it's time to address the drama of 2012. Like, what is there to address? You guys all already talked about everything so long ago. I don't know. If you have any questions on that era, if you remember this, I don't know. I'll expose everything. So my favorite type of tequila is this Casamigos Reposado. I originally planned to like pour cute little shots and take them on camera, but it's too late. This is what we're already doing. I hate watching myself take shots on camera because it's so ugly and I'm like, oh my god, this is what people see every time I take a shot. I just felt like it'd be really sad if I was just in my room alone getting drunk like this. Not like it doesn't ever happen, but we are going all out. 21 new YouTube content. Here we go. Sanitize your hands.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Anyway, Bella lives with me. We share food, drinks, everything. So I thought today for my makeup, I would do this like sharp cutout eye that I do. I always get so many compliments when I do my makeup like this and people are like, how long does that take you to do? Like, how did you do that? And it's honestly pretty easy. So we'll see how easy it actually is when I'm Chaser Celsius, always go to, but it is late and I do have a shoot tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm gonna start with the eyes because that's the most important part, the most interesting. I've done my face makeup like a million times on camera before. We're going to first just prep my eyes. Absolutely not. Why would he do that? I will legit stab him. And that's what's going on in my life. So I'm using this NARS concealer. This is Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm just gonna use this to prime my eyelids. Oh my god, remember when we were like, before I die, I want to you, baby. Before I die, I want to you, baby. No! I usually like to do like a bright color when I do this look, but I'm wearing nude and like glamorous kind of jewelry, so I'm gonna try to do it with this metallic. This is L'Oreal Brilliant Eyes. So let's see how well this is pigmented and works. So I'm gonna just put this, okay, this is cute. I'm just gonna put this on my lid. So I'm just putting this all on my lid and then wing it out. Like, it's okay to be messy. This is why it's actually easy and not hard like everyone thinks it is. Because you just go in the shape and then you clean it up, and that's that. So like, just be ugly with it. So now we have this on here and I have this makeup wipe. I'm just using my finger and I'm going to kind of carve out that.
It's like, how is she gonna make me get drunk and then sit still?
Yeah, take a shot, dude.
Okay, give me 1 sec.
One.
No, like,
I cannot. I know you promised last night to get drunk with me tonight.
Yeah.
But I just needed you to sit here. So I didn't feel lame.
I'm drunk now and I'm just laying here.
Well, that one I'm dead. I just took a shot. You want to take a shot? Life hack. So I got this from CVS. It's just like a little, you press it down on the cotton pad and it's eye makeup remover. But I'll just like use this to get my Q-tip a little bit damp. And then carve it out like that. Literally, it's just like that. Using the Kevin Kwan concealer, I'm using this one to help carve it out because it's just really thick and strong and dramatic. You know how people carve out their eyebrows? But we're gonna carve out our eyeshadow look. See, so that's fire. So if that was bright blue, like what I did before, everyone's like, oh my gosh, how do you do that? So Bella wants me to put bright pink in the middle of it, which we have this Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. I think what I'm gonna do is take some of the concealer and put it on top, like in the middle. Should I do in the inner corner or
No,
like
in the middle.
literally in the middle of it?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this like that in the middle. You're gonna ruin my whole eye look from this suggestion, I swear. Okay, so I'm gonna take this hot pink color after I sprayed it and let's see what we can do here. Okay, okay.
Am I visionary?
Visionary, visionary.
Can you check if the dogs are on?
Dude,
We
bro.
are definitely
I heard
alive.
Steele.
Oh my god, you know what this eye look is giving me? The Jordan like dunks that are like brown and pink. Like it's cool, but
But what?
But what?
but what?
What?
This is Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil, but I think I'm gonna use this to kind of make the shape more defined. Boom, there we go. That is the look. I'm gonna tightline, waterline, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of this wing. But let's do a shot first just to make it interesting.
Just to make it interesting.
I need to finish up this eye look because it's getting uglier and uglier by the second. This is so ugly. Oh my god, I'm doing so bad. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the gel first because if you use gel, ooh, it's potent. Basically what this whole video is showing you is how like if you just go crazy and then you clean it up, like no one will know. How will they know? So where are we going tonight, girls?
Are you being serious?
I'm kidding. Doing horrible at my eyebrow. I don't know what to do.
Bun,
I'm
taco.
Can you stop talking during my video? This is so ugly, guys. The lighting is up for the camera here, but not for the makeup. Shut the up! Shut up! Oh my god, I can't wait to end this video and then be crazy. Like, I'm about to send some crazy text. Don't let me! So I'm using this Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere. Oh. Yeah, Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfection Foundation. I'm gonna be honest right now, I'm pretty good at doing my face makeup because I've spent so much time and effort learning how to do it. So I'm just gonna listen to some music while I do this.
Then it's a rap, call it Saran. Too much explaining and talking. Yeah, big smile, get it. I am chatting.
Wait.
When you couscous, Aphrodite, then disco.
Skylines, ballin' ho-
Okay, we're back. Did the contour, concealer, foundation. Now I'm gonna set it off. I'm gonna line my lips for right now just because I hate how it looks with all of the foundation on. This is the NYX Natural Lip Pencil. So what I like to do to line my lips, I saw this, I don't know who showed to do this, but you line them, overline them, but see this little curve right here? Like don't go all the way out to the corner of your lips, but like bring them in more like Brat Stall vibes. So it's like this. There we go. All right, let's set it. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder, the best of the best. Now the sparkly bronzer, which I always suggest everyone to use. I'm not there, I'm not there. I'm like, I'm just drunk enough right now where I'm like, get it over with. Highlight, highlight, down the nose. The eyes look good on camera, look good right here. When I looked in the mirror in the bathroom. So this CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte. I've been wanting a great dark brown lip so I can do the gradient, a little Kim Kardashian vibes. So we're gonna do this here. And then we take something like this. This is an hourglass lip, and in the middle, it's a lot lighter. Boom! Here we are. Drunk makeup tutorial. Okay, let's look at these eyes. Honestly, they're pretty bad. I really hate them. I don't like them at all. It's all Bella's fault.
Yeah, I like them.
My lips look good, my face looks good, but you know, for the circumstance, I think I did pretty well. That is it, guys. This was my drunk makeup tutorial that you guys requested. You guys did this to me. But I'm happy to do this. I think this is gonna be a really fun, awesome video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Bye.